Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun video to share with you guys. So months ago, I was asked by my very good friend Melissa from Geeking Out with MellyMel to participate, if I wanted to participate, in a box swap, a witchy box swap. So it's kind of like fallish, crystals, like stuff like that. And I was like, yes, because if you know anything about me, I do enjoy collecting crystals and I just love everything about that. Zodiac signs, moon phases, crystals, love it all. So my box arrived and I'm recording this video, so I'm super excited to show you the box and everything that's in it. Without further ado, here is my beautiful box. I just covered up the addresses, but my person is actually Melissa from Geeking Out with MellyMel. So I am beyond excited. It's kind of like a secret Santa, so we don't really know who gets who until you receive your box. So I am beyond excited that my person is Melissa. Who's participating in this box swap will be linked down in my description below. So definitely go show everybody some love, check out their videos, tell them what you liked about their box swap and so on. But I'm so excited to open this box. But before I do, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Melissa for always inviting me to participate in all sorts of box swaps, from Easter Harry Potter to Yule Ball Harry Potter and now to this witchy fall box swap. And requirements for this box were, I'm gonna read them off my phone, I don't want to miss anything. So the budget was around $70 and you had to have 3 items that were a must to be part of this swap. So it had to be 1 crystal, 1 witchy themed pin, and 1 deck of tarot cards or oracle deck cards. We also got a questionnaire that asked us a bunch of questions about what we like, what we didn't like, favorite colors, favorite crystals, and so on. So anyways, without further ado, let me open this box. I'm so excited. And if you hear any background noise, it's our puppy, who's not a little puppy anymore. He's going to be a year very soon, but he's very loud and likes to play. One thing I know about Melissa is that when she packs a box, just like me, I don't know, maybe it's because we send boxes internationally and we don't want anything to get ruined. This box, it is sealed. It can probably fly to the moon and back and still look just like this. So give me a second, let me open it. Right, I think after like 10 minutes I was able to open the box. So let me get a closer look. Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, so this is what I am seeing. So it has a card and everything looks so beautiful. So let's start with the card. So the card reads, Anna, I'm so excited I got you for this witchy box swap. I'm so excited you got me too. Also, this celestial card is so cute, haha. I picked out items for you that I hope you really like, smiley face. I hope you have a fun and spooky Halloween. Stay magical. XOXO Mel, Geeking Out with MellyMel. Oh my gosh, Melissa, you're the best. This is the card. It is so cute. Bunch of stickers. There's literally so many. Let me see if my camera will even focus. Beautiful. I love, oh my gosh, look at this guy. I love him. I love stickers. I love stickers. So cute. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, I am so excited to dig into this box. Okay, so the first thing I see here is a card of dogs. It's the cutest thing ever. Luna Moon Gothic. So I guess it's a company that maybe she ordered things from, but how adorable are these dogs? Me and Melissa actually love dogs, so love them so much. Luna Moon Gothic, this little pouch, and see what's in here. It actually kind of matches my shirt. I picked a very special shirt for this video, for this occasion. Alright, I think I have some pins. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I have to take it out of the packaging, but it's like two witches sitting on a moon crest. I think this company is from Salem because it does say Salem, Massachusetts. So here's a better look. Super cute. There is another pin here. Oh, what is this? Hocus Pocus. Yes, because that was one of the things I think on the questionnaire. It asked you what kind of like Halloween movie you liked, if you liked very spooky stuff, if you were just like a Hocus Pocus type of gal. So I think that's where it's from. She picked the Hocus Pocus for me. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And every time I see this, I would just want to say, book. I love Hocus Pocus. Oh, this is so cute. Thank you so much. This is really beautiful. All right, so on to the next. This seems heavy and probably seems like a deck of cards. So let's open it and see. It's packaged very beautifully. It has a nice sticker over here. So let's see. I think I need scissors for this. I'm telling you, if you ever get a box from Melissa, and I've gotten boxes from Melissa before, this girl wraps things so good. Oh my gosh, adorable. So this is a Hocus Pocus tarot deck cards and a guide book, and that is awesome. I've never owned a deck, and having a guide is very important, I think. This is the box. Oh my god, I am so excited. I have to open it and see some of these cards. This is like Christmas. Thank you so much. I've been really wanting to own a deck so bad because I think it's so cool, so fun. Oh, look how cool this looks. I cannot. This was like a door for me, like with that little handle. Oh my, a guide, a book. So it talks about everything about each card and I guess meanings and so on and so forth. So I have to definitely study this. They are beautiful. So awesome. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Melissa. This was definitely awesome. I like this a lot. So the next item is in this little box, and I'm going to use my scissors just to cut the tape. Okay. I think I see a little crystal. All right, this is a little baggie of crystals. Looks like this. Next item is this. I don't know what this is. So I guess we're gonna find out together. If also you hear background noise, aside from my dog, my neighbors are having major renovations. Major. Forever. What is this? It's beautiful. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know. Maybe it's gonna come to me as I'm opening this box, so I'll get back to it. But I'm just trying to figure out, do you put crystals in here? Is this for like a spell? Is this to hold something? I don't know. Oh my god, I feel so bad. I don't know what this is. All right, I'm just gonna put it on the side in case I remember what this could be or think of what this could be. But it's definitely beautiful. This little box, so cute. Everything is packaged so beautiful. Carnelian ladybug. So a carnelian is a very good crystal and it's good for so many things, and ladybugs are amazing. I love them. And I guess it's like hang it up like a necklace, like a charm, or like you could hang it. Incredible how it's all packed in there. So yeah, so it comes with this string, so I guess you could definitely hang it up. I do have little things like this similar to this but different, and I just use a string very similar to this to hang them up like in different areas of my house or like my car or something like that. But this is beautiful. I love carnelian and I do love ladybugs. Thank you. Two things left, I think, in the box. So there's this bag and this bag. So let's open up this one and leave the bigger baggie for last. All right, so there is a card for green opal, It's a crystal, a stone, and it's very well packaged. Oh my god, it's huge. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a beautiful stone. It's a big stone, and the color of it is beautiful. Reading the card. So it has healing properties. Green opal is good for strengthening relationship. It releases fear and assists you in times of change. It provides nurturing energies and calms your heart when dealing with grief. I'm gonna have to send a message to Melissa because this just hit home and I don't want to cry on camera. Thank you so much. It's like she knew that I needed this crystal in my life. Thank you so much. This is unbelievable. I am gonna have to text you later and tell you exactly why. Okay, so the last one is this. I think we have 2 items here, so let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, so we're gonna open up this guy. Everything again is very well packaged. It probably is a crystal or a stone. I'm looking for my scissors because usually they are the ones that are packaged very, very well. I think this is a carnelian. I'm almost positive it's a carnelian, and it's humongous. Oh my god, Melissa, you are incredible. Look at this beautiful stone. It's unbelievably big, and it's so beautiful. I think we have our last piece in this package. Okay, so this guy is beautiful and he's huge, and I think this is, I always get these confused. I want to say this is moss agate. Looks like moss agate, but there is another one. Is it tree agate? I get confused with these two because I also have these because I love these crystals, and every single time I'm like, is this moss agate or is this tree agate, or I don't know. But this is a beautiful stone. Oh my gosh, look at it again, guys. Look at it. It's so beautiful. So that is it for this beautiful box. I keep looking down because I have everything here. Melissa, thank you so much. You definitely went above and beyond. You got me so many more things. I am forever grateful for you and for our friendship, and I'm so thankful that you always invite me to these fun box swaps. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go and visit Melissa's channel at Geeking Out With MellyMel. I'll have her channel linked down in the description below, and definitely check everybody else who's participating in this box swap. And I hope you all have a wonderful fall season, and I hope you all enjoyed this box. I'll see you real soon. Bye.